All right, guys, we did this 21 Durango SRT, sorry. We put vibrants and rear delete and 4-inch tips. This is what it sounds like before. Again, here's sound decibels. So what we're gonna do, you hear that rasp in it again? We're gonna add an X pipe in to take the rasp away, to take the exhaust scavenge away, okay? So we're gonna let you guys hear it after. Again. Anyways, Dodge Durango SRT 392. What we got done on this beautiful beast. So we showed you guys what it sounded like before with just the vibrant resonators right there. Part number will be in the description for them. But it was a little bit too raspy for him on the low end when he gives it gas for the exhaust scavenge. So what we did is added an X pipe in, as you guys can see there, just to deepen the sound a little bit more, clean it up, and give it a little some more low end torque. There it is, X pipe. Then everything else stayed the same. Rear muffler delete on each side, vibrant resonators in the middle, and stock catalytic converters there and there. So stock converters, vibrant mids, X pipe, and rear delete there and there, and then 4-inch tips out the back on each side. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, there'll be a link in the description for everything. And make sure you guys subscribe. Yeah, it was 117 before, now it's like not even 110. Again. So right at 110, it took 7 decibels away, guys. Again. So when they tell you the X pipe doesn't change the sound, now you guys can see it does. It makes a huge difference. And it makes a huge difference in rasp and sound because it equalizes back pressure. Go ahead. Once you really get on it, see how clean it sounds. Just clean sound. Give it gas, just barely. Big difference. A lot cleaner. One more. When you step on it, you get it. Do it low end. Let me see. Just gentle. Not hard, just gentle. Yeah, right at 100. So when you're close, you'll be around 100. It's perfect. All right, bring it up. That's clean. What do you guys think? Let us know. Which one did you like more, before or after? Let us know in the comments. With X pipe or without X pipe? Let you guys hear on the inside. That X pipe made it a lot.